Hello friends and welcome to my channel Dear Life. My name is Pankaj Sharma. I am author, speaker and a lifelong learner. Today's video is dedicated to one of the most important thing, that is the mindset. So before I take you to this important concept here, let me share with you something that many times we think so many things, but we do not know what to think. So just take a pause here and think how many times this happens that we got hooked because of some other activity, because of some new things what we are going to see here on the way, or we wanted to do something objective and the goal, what exactly we need to think. And the important thing is what get converted into the action, and that action decides our proceedings and our entire way how we are going towards the goal or deviating from the goal. So now today's video will be very helpful to you in understanding that how you can stay positive and how you can keep all these negative thoughts away from you. So before I tell you something, now there is a small story. There was a person who was a woodcutter. I think you might have heard about this story. And there was a person who was a woodcutter. He's going to the forest, and after cutting few trees, he wanted to take rest, and he took rest over there under the shadow of a tree. And he was just thinking that I could have, the kind of bed over there. So the cushion, something there. The moment he was just thinking about that, he saw there was a cushion appeared in front of him. He rested over there. Unique that I could have some juices and I'm feeling hungry. I could have some good, very fresh food over here. And suddenly he saw that in front of him the food appears, and he enjoyed that food. And after resting over there, he was just thinking that I could have some more money in my life so that I can live my life comfortably. So he saw that after the next moment that there was a lot of money in front of him, and he was sitting in the forest and enjoying all those things. And suddenly he was just thinking, he thought of, here it is a dense forest here, a lot of wild animals are there. What will going to happen if suddenly a lion will come in front of me? And he just thought about the lion, and lion really appeared in front of him. And he saw the lion, and he was just under the fear of lion, that lion may come and make me a prey and eat me. So at that really happened. So what is the moral of this story? That tree under which this guy was sitting over there, the woodcutter, was the Kalpavraksh, right? The Vraksh, which was the wishful tree. Whatever you ask in front of, under the shadow of that tree, that thing will going to be fulfilled. And this is what the story we might have heard in our the school time from our teachers and our parents and grandparents. But remember here, that wishful tree is none other than our own mind. So now the important thing is what we sow in our mind, that particularly that thing will going to get nourished. The important thing is here, that thing will going to be in front of us, will going to appear in front of us, and that is the thing which will going to happen. So remember here three important things, that is thought, feeling and imagination. So remember here, what is the important thing here, what we need to think, that's the important thing, and what will be going to helpful to us in terms of keeping this thinking process right. Remember here, what you think, that the important thing here, that we need to think positive. If we think positive, that small seed will going to get nourished over a period of time. And what is the process for this? The process for this is just keep on thinking about that particular thing. And that is why in psychology this is said that 95% is what your subconscious mind really works, and 5% is what you do in your conscious time, in your conscious activity. So this is the important thing here, what you think that will definitely going to happen. Many people, they have this fraction of doubt whenever they are deciding something to complete, something to accomplish into their life, because of which they are having more of this negative fear of What will going to happen if I don't complete this? What will going to happen if I don't do this? What will be the repercussion if I don't do this on time, and what will going to happen? So, and that thing really happen. So that happens because of the power of mind. So remember here, mind is the neutral thing. Whatever you sow over there, that will definitely going to happen, and that will really going to get converted into the reality. So now the important thing is here, there are few small things if we do, I'm sure we will be able to understand that what we exactly need to really do when it comes to thinking right. So remember here, think positive. These negative emotions, so there are few sentences are there. I learned this from Les Brown, who says that somebody's opinion cannot become your reality, and your reality is what you know better than anyone else. And many times we feel bad, we feel ignored, we feel humiliated because of somebody's argument, somebody's statement on us that you can't do this, you are this type of person, you are this type of person, and we are keep on believing on somebody's opinion. So remember here, number one thing is that somebody's opinion cannot become your reality. Number two, your current situation is not your reality. Your current situation may be very bad, maybe you may be going through very difficult time and a tough time and a rough time and a crucial time, but that's not your reality. Your reality is something else. So do not think over that whatever you are currently, that is exactly you are, because things are changing, emotions are changing, situations are changing, people are changing, behaviors are changing. So today's current situation is not you. You are something else. So who know better about yourself rather than you? So believe in yourself and have that positive affirmation that you have that ability to overcome upon all the obstacles, of all the hurdles and all the problems. That is why the third important thing, when you wake up in the morning, have this power of morning affirmations. Now why this is important, that thought converted into the feelings, and that feelings get converted into that the most important thing, that is the imagination. So what do you imagine, what do you feel, and what do you think? This is what the cycle which is keep on going on every time. So when you wake up in the morning, have this positive affirmation that I have this ability to overcome upon all the obstacles. I have this ability to conquer all the challenges of my life. I have the ability to learn any difficult, easy, moderate type of things in my life, and God has given me this ability so that I can be successful. I will be successful, and I will be going to achieve whatever I wish to achieve. So these 3-4 things, I believe that if you follow in your day-to-day life, I am sure that you will be going to conquer the real challenges in your life, and these things possibly keeps your thinking right. So I hope that you are understanding and learning from this. And this is what, and my request to all the parents, don't tell your people, don't tell your son or your daughter that you can't do this, you can't do that, you are useless, you are worthless, and don't scold them with all this terminology. Somehow this terminology will going to become a seed and getting sowed into their mind, and that will going to be their reality possibly, if they are keep on pondering upon that particular things. So please take care of all those things, and I wish you all the best, and please get free from all these negative thoughts in 2021, and wish you all the best. Thank you so much for watching. Share this with all your friends and colleagues. Bye bye.